Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. So students, today we will learn the secondary color, the violet color. Now observe the violet objects and sing the poem. Violet are the grapes, violet are the plums. Brinjal are the violet, bring some when you come. Now look at the picture. The flowers grown on plant are also violet color. Now look at this picture. The plums are violet and the grapes are violet too. Now, let's have a little activity. Color the brinjal orange, color the brinjal violet and say aloud. So students, keep learning and keep growing. See you soon.